Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In this tutorial, I want us to learn a new skill. Uh, I had my phone, as you can see. As you can see this one. As you can see this one. Not actually these old-fashioned ones. As I was moving, somebody happened to have to have plugged it out, like stealing it. Or if not, your piece was like stolen, something like that. So I'm on you today to help solve that problem. So when somebody steals your PC or steals your phone like that, or like anything that has your information, to a misery and a misfortune to you, but that should not always perturb you, because there's always a solution for like every problem. So what do you do? Simple only thing, that information you must go and put it somewhere. Someone may call it backing it up. For me, I'll call it using drives. When you somebody saves work on this drive, is able to access, even if he is here and somebody is outside, you can just share with him the drive name or the link name, then you can access all his documents like that. So I'm going to solve that today. First and foremost, you can also download that same app from the stores. So I go to my search pan, as you see. I choose my account. When I try to open it up, as you can see, then I can either use this format as I showed you, or you just go to this one, which is fast. Let's go to the Google Drive. When it comes, I just double click in it. Just wait. Just wait. When it comes, I double click in it, as you see. It opens itself. Let's talk about the compartments inside. So as you can see inside it, for this one there is something saved in it. Though when it is empty, it doesn't look like this. For example, as you can see here, it has the home, the my drive. My drive is what you have saved, and you can show the storage. It gives you an extra storage of about 15 GB. You can see, though it's somebody who knows more about devices, and you can understand when somebody says get more storage. Must say, for those phones, modern phones, if you want to extend your battery, your storage capacity, you can buy. When you click in it, you simply, they ask you money. You pay money via your Visa cards or your ATM cards, or your cards like that. Then you're able to get more storage. For example, you can see you're able to get this storage on this amount of money, or this one for this period of amount of time. It's also time that can be for 1 month, 1 year, like that. So this is the settings. If you want to upgrade your need to go to premium, as you can see, the search engines, how they work. When you upgrade, you're like buying more. So just as all these ones work together, the contacts, the tasks, the tips, or the calendars, because the painter must update this, ensure that you saved work today or you saved work the other day. So how does it work? If you haven't done anything, if you click here on new and you click on file upload, you can upload. For example, if I double click here, I'll be saving it, so they can show you here. Turn on. So it will come when I go to my drive. Let's wait. It must be there because I've saved something new. Let's wait. Recent. Let me try again. Add file upload. Double click on this one. Upload options. You press existing. Yes. So there was some file which was looking like that one. So it is here, as you can see. If I double click on it, I'll be opening it, as you can see. So since it's a Word document, which means you can edit it. For example, you can just click here, then you click on. As you see, how the Word document works. It tells you, do you want to edit or do you not edit? You first allow the editing option. Then you can remove all these letters, as you can see. That's how it works. You can also add and join a call. For example, you share somebody's calling you, showing. For example, those of you who use the Zoom app, you understand this. You're Zooming somebody outside, then you're showing something here. You can also use see the recent, just like that. Other features I can talk about, they are simply they're simply yeah, they're simply these ones. Here you're like able to open it with anything via Google Drive, the Google Docs, the Lumen PDF or Zoom writers. You can download it again. Just click them to go here, download it safe again. You can also rename it, whereby you can double click and rename it, give it a different name. I can also make a copy. I'm going to make another copy. You can share it to somebody, whereby you share using the link. As you can see, here's the link. Here's the rename. You can rename it. Here's the download option. You can also move it to a dustbin. They call it the trash, where you like deleting it. Some of this option that you can rate it to make it a favorite, as you can see, whereby you can easily access it anytime. You can also share it, as you can see. You can, in case you have you can sort them up, whereby you arrange them. So the recent shared with me, somebody shared sent you document, you can find it here. The recent are here, which ones of this recently, the spam, those that you can that have something, the bin where you did something, the storage, what you're left with. So in case it is a new one, if I click here and I happen to change my account, let me use this as my new account. If I click on it and I go to Drive, as you see, actually the Drive also has the information here. Though if it is new, it shows here some option of suggested. For example, if something went there by like default, you were saying something, then the phone used its what call it its advanced technology to set something for you just by chance like that. But it's not supposed to be like that, because it wasn't your decision. You can also add the what? You can also add the what? Add a folder. No, you can, rather than uploading a folder, you can just add a new one where you click here, then you get a new folder. For example, you say April. These are the ones that are for April, then you create it like that. So it will come here, whereby you should know that April has this. For example, as you know, the WhatsApp groups, this group means this means this means this. So that's how it works. And I think I can talk about, so this is the adoption and the documents, the contacts, and the spam. So it is here, April. If I double click on it to open itself, then you can add anything. The document, for example, file, I can double click on this one again, and it comes inside. You can view it. Even if somebody has somebody, you share with them this as a link, it is able to access your document as like that. Shown like this. So when it clicks on it, it just gets directed to your lecture drive, and this is what you had put there for him to view. So that's how the Google Docs, the Google Drive works. It's a simple one. It works for many devices. That's how it works. You can also delete anything. You can delete it, and I find it in the bin here, as you can see. Then you can also bring it back through restore. Select how the restore part works for the what? The recycle bin works for the PCs, or the enterprise storage files works for the phones. So the other thing I can talk about, the steered ones are like the favorites. Once you click on somebody, you click something to become like a favorite, it becomes steered. You can easily access it anytime. Settings are here. Get ready for desktop. You can download it. You can also give settings to it, as you can see. Start page, my drive, or the other one. You want to edit what happens there at first. You want to make something to be offline, where you can access it anytime. The privacy notification, you just want to get alerted about anything, you just simply put it on, just like that. That's how that feature works. If I just was adding, please subscribe, like, and comment. If you've not understood anything, please notify me and I try to modify about it. Let's meet in the other videos.